Alright guys, once again welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers. In this video I'm quickly going to make a very short video about the Torium Network. I'm going to make it short so that everybody can watch it and make sure that you position right. So please, if you are participating in this project, if you have joined when I introduced the project, then you have to pay keen attention to this particular video. But if you have not joined, the link will be in the comment section and also in the description section so that you can join and start participating immediately. But before we go into that, if you are new into this channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you will always get notified whenever I upload new videos. This particular project you are seeing like this, called the Torium Network, is as strong as the Verychat. Is as strong as the Verychat project. I repeat again. So please, if you are joking with this project, know that you are going to regret. And one of the things is that this project will reward mostly people that joined early and people that take it seriously. You know, opportunities, when opportunities come early and you seize it, there are high chances of you making it. But when you delay opportunities, that is also how you are going to lose. Now if you come right here, look at what I have mined. This is what I have mined in the past 19 hours. This is what I have mined so far, because I still have 5 hours left here, and there is a secret I'm using to mine this much, which I'm going to show you. Now what I have here, I've just mined I think about 6 days. What I have here, I just mined for about 6 days. But most of you that join, I am sure that you have not even mined up to hundreds of these particular tokens because of the way you are mining. Now if you come right here, there is something I want to point out to you. Look at this line. There is a chart here, and this chart explains how the project mining is going. So if you don't understand how this works, you are going to almost, in fact, get nothing at the end of the when it is listing time. The way their mining mechanism works, they decided to be hiving based on the number of the supply that is being mined. For the people that joined, that started mining this project from day one, they were mining 3.8, and according to their white paper, once they mine the first 100 million tokens, there will be an automatic hiving from this 3.2 to 1.6. They have passed this stage. So after, once they have mined this, it will hive, and then once they have mined another 100 million to get to 200, another hiving to 0.8. This is where we are. This is where I joined. This is where I introduced to the community. And when I introduced this to the community, we were in this stage, and out of the 100 million that we are to mine in this stage before the next hiving, as at the time I introduced, they had already mined I think 77 million, and that was just last week. As at now, what is left for the next hiving is just this 9.94 million Tor tokens. So as soon as this is mined, you are going to experience a hiving, which means that this that I have mined in 19 hours, if I am to mine again after the hiving, I will only get half of this. So which means that once the hiving is implemented, it becomes more harder to mine. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this to seize the opportunity and mine as much as you can within the next 2 days or the next 3 days, because believe me, in the next 2 or 3 days, this 9.9 will finish, and then you will see that we are now mining just 0.4, not 0.8 again per hour. That's per hour. So grab the opportunity. Now when you come and activate your mining, I've told you that the easiest way to mine a lot is by activating boosters, and you have the chance to activate up to 120 boosters every 24 hours. If you look at it, I've just activated 72, but look at what I've mined. If you look at the supply chart, you are going to see that the mining is going to end once they clock the 600 million right here. So it's just 600 million tokens that everybody is mining, everybody. And believe me, there are some people that are already having hundreds of thousands of tokens already. There are people like that. So you don't have to look at it like it's just a normal mining, like I should just take it, just mine it gradually. No, the more you are mining gradually, as if You just come and tap and activate your mining and go. There are people that are harvesting it like they are harvesting, and the more they are harvesting, the more they are reaching the end of the mining, and you are going to be the one at loss. So please make sure that you seize this opportunity. Like I said, the halving is going to happen in the next 2 days because of the rate at which people are mining right now. So if you want to also enjoy before the halving, make sure that you are activating your boost. So the link will be in the comment section and also in the description section for those who have not yet started mining. So go ahead, join and start mining right now.